Hello everyone! Welcome to the enriching journey of learning Arabic, a language that opens doors to a rich cultural heritage and a vibrant modern society. I'm Ali, your Arabic teacher. I'm delighted to share my expertise in the Arabic language with you. But before we begin, let's cover some general notes about Arabic. Arabic is indeed spoken by a significant number of people worldwide, and it's one of the official languages of the United Nations. As of 2023, it is estimated that around 380 million speakers, both native and non-native, use Arabic in the Arab world. This makes it the fifth most spoken language globally and the fourth most used language on the internet in terms of users. Additionally, Arabic serves as the liturgical language for more than 1.9 billion Muslims worldwide. It's clear that Arabic has a substantial presence, so Arabic is not just a means of communication but a bridge to understanding diverse traditions, literature, and history. Why would someone learn Arabic language? Career opportunities. Proficiency in Arabic can open doors to careers in diplomacy, intelligence, business, and international relations, especially as the Middle East plays a significant role in global affairs. Travel. Knowing Arabic can enrich travel experiences in the Arab world, allowing for deeper interactions with locals and an appreciation of the region's hospitality. Cultural understanding. Arabic is the language of the Quran and is deeply connected to Islamic culture. Learning it can provide insights into the cultural practices, literature, and history of Arab-speaking countries. Language skills. Arabic has a unique script and linguistic structure, which can challenge and enhance your language learning abilities. What distinguishes the Arabic language from other languages such as English or Latin? Arabic has several unique features that set it apart from other languages. Unlike Latin-based languages such as English, Arabic is written from right to left. Arabic is written in a distinct cursive script, which makes the Arabic alphabet visually interesting. Varieties. Arabic has formal standard language, used in writing or prepared speech, and widely diverging dialects, used for everyday conversation, such as Egyptian Arabic, Levantine Arabic, Gulf Arabic, etc. In this course, we will learn modern Standard Arabic and will briefly touch on some common dialects. Indeed, the Arabic language contains over 12.3 million words, whereas English has only about 600,000 words. This means that Arabic boasts 20 times the vocabulary of English. Quite impressive, isn't it? Finally, this course is designed carefully to guide you through the intricacies of Arabic script, the beauty of its sounds, and the nuances of its grammar. Whether you seek to connect with new communities, explore timeless texts, or expand your professional horizons, mastering Arabic promises a rewarding adventure. Goodbye for now, waiting for you in the next video to begin the first lesson. Let's get started.